throttle, which is like the gas pedal in your car. Push it forward, the blades spin faster, make the helicopter go up. You pull it back, it lowers the speed, the helicopter comes down. On my left thumb, I turn the lever or push a lever to the left, makes the nose of the helicopter turn left. It's like if you're riding a bicycle or a car and you want to steer it left. On the other hand, you want to go right, you just push the controller right. On the right thumb is the controls too. I push it forward, the nose of the helicopter goes down. I pull it back, the nose of the helicopter comes up. When I push the stick to the left, the helicopter will tilt left. When I push the stick to the right, the helicopter will tilt right. This is a good chance for the helicopter to have a lot of fun indoors. Mainly I say indoors, it's only weighs about 1 to 1.5 ounces. You fly it outside, more than a 2 or 3 mile per hour breeze, you're not going to be able to maintain control. Since it flies in such a very small